Jai Hind to all of you. Myself Indraj Saran. Today I am going to talk about India-Russia relations. There is nothing wrong if I say India and Russia are most friendliest country in the world. Let me tell you by taking an example of 1971 war. During 1971 war, almost all countries were against India, but it was only Russia who helped India and defended India by deploying its own navy in Indian Ocean against 7th Fleet aircraft carrier of United States of America and HMS Eagle aircraft carrier of UK. India is also helping Russia. Russia-Ukraine conflict is very relatable example of this. Before the starting of this conflict, India was importing only 0.2% crude oil from Russia of its total crude oil imports. After that, Russia asked India to purchase Russian crude oil at a discounted rate. After that, India has started purchasing a huge amount of Russian crude oil at discounted rate. As a result, Russia is largest oil supplier of India of 22% of its total crude oil imports. Apart from this, Russia is also largest defense equipment supplier of India. Around 85% of Indian defense equipments are Russian origin, which includes MiG-21, MiG-29, Sukhoi 30 Mk fighter jets, and S-400 defense system and many more defense equipments. Russia is not only exporting its defense equipments to India, but also helping India to manufacture various defense equipments in India under Make in India scheme. India and Russia developed the BrahMos missile in India under Make in India scheme, and India exported its BrahMos missile to Philippines. It is also an example of the increasing power of India in the world. India purchased S-400 defense equipments from Russia without worrying about CARSA. And during Russia-Ukraine conflict, India abstained to voting at United Nations against Russia or Russia-Ukraine conflict. If it seems very easy to you, then let me tell you, it is not easy for India. India was pressurizing by Western world to condemn Russia or Russia-Ukraine conflict and to not purchase Russian oil. But India is continue to purchasing its oil from Russia. India and Russia are also doing joint military exercise known as Indra, and both countries are also doing work in space togetherly. Apart from this, these are very few examples of Russia. These are very few examples of the relationship of India and Russia. Apart from this, what India can do now after the invasion of Russia on Ukraine, almost all European countries and Western countries left Russian market, and now Russian market is very void. So Indian companies can go there and grab this opportunity. It is a very great opportunity for India.